Hey guys, so in this video we will going to integrate N8N with Slack. So if you want to learn how to integrate N8N with Slack and want to build AI agents and automation, okay, so it's very much important to integrate both of them. So that's what this video is all about. Guys, let's see how we can integrate Slack with N8N. All you need to do is to go to credentials here, okay, tap on it, and now at drop down you will see the option of create credentials, and from here you will have to just search for Slack, and then you can just go with the Slack oath or whatever you want. Okay, now just go to continue, and it will ask you the client ID and your client secret. So this is also a way you can do that. And also the second way, you can just do one thing. Okay, so suppose if you go here, just search for Slack, go to Slack API, continue, and now it will ask you the access token key. Okay, so how you can get that? So all you need to search is the Slack API access. And by the way, let's say you must have the Slack account. Okay, so you can see that we have created a Slack account with us. We have this account, and in case you don't know what is Slack, how Slack work, so you can simply go and search for KuKu courses in the browser. Just go to kukucourses.com. Once you will going to open it, all you need to go is to the courses, free courses, tap on it, and you can also enable the public course and just search for Slack, and you will going to see this course Slack for beginners. It's totally free course for you guys, so you can just watch and total 1 hour course. You can simply click on the start course button, and you guys can just go ahead and watch the complete uh, Slack course for absolutely free. Okay, so in that way you will be able to learn about Slack and how to use Slack in case you don't know how Slack works. Okay, and next thing is that let's say I suppose you guys know about the Slack and you already have the Slack account. Now all you need to do is to just to make sure that you log into your Slack workspace. Okay, and just go and open a new tab and just search for Slack API apps. Then you will see this api.slack.com. Just go here and click on, let's say, I agree, and then you will see this option of a create an app. You can just choose from any first, but I will go with the scratch so that we can have complete control over it. I will simply going to name it, let's say, N8N. Pick a workspace. You have to choose a workspace. So in my case, you can see that my workspace is Lunhare. So if you have the multiple workspace, so that multiple workspace you guys can select under this particular app. Okay, so remember we are taking the name at the name as a N8N. Okay, or even let me just write here N8N Lunhare. Okay, that means this integration or this app name is N8N Lunhare, whatever you want. Click on create app. Once you will going to do this, so this is how it looks. So you can click on got it. Okay, and by the way, here you can see your client secret and client ID in case you need it. Okay, so let's say here you can see it's asking for signature secret, so that is what you can see as signing secret. Okay, uh, but what all you need to do is to just go to OAuth and permission and scroll down, and here you guys will going to see the option to add your OAuth scope. Okay, so now if you go here to anything and right click on the open docs, now here plenty of scope you will going to see. Scroll down, here you can see scope which we need to add. So just simply copy this like this, go here, and from here, okay, you can just uh, go here and paste it, select it, right? So in this way you need to go for all of this. Okay, so you can just click on the second one, channel right. Okay, again you go here, click on add an oath, paste it, and once you paste it you will see something like this. So just click on backspace and automatically it will be visible for you. You can see channel right, okay, uh, chat right. So just copy it, backspace, you can see chat right, and similarly you have to do same for all of them over here, okay, till this much. So I'm copying the last one. I will go over here, same you have to add for all of them, okay. So once you will going to do that, you can see everything is good to go. Now my dear friends, all you need to do is to click on this install to Lunari, okay, then automatically you will going to get your token key. Very simple, nothing complicated, okay. So just go here, click on install to Lunari one, allow and give the permission. Awesome. And you can see you got your OO token. All you need to do is to copy it, go here and paste it. Now you will see this is the token and this is a mandatory. So the reason we have put it over here. Click on save button. It's testing. Let's wait. Awesome. You can see it worked successfully. Now let's say if I go to any of my workflow, let's wait. And let's say if I open maybe let's say this one, Twitter one, suppose for example, you can just edit in any of your workflow. I just want to show whether it's showing or not. So let's say here, let's say I go and let's say if I try to add Slack, select it, and let's say I want to send the message, and this was your Slack account which we have just now connected. You can click on send message to, let's say, to the channel list. You can see here all your list will going to pop up. You can see I have all Lunare courses, library, new channel, production, sale. So all of these things you can see in my workspace, sorry. You can see here we have here production, sales, support, okay, all of this thing over here, like courses, product, affiliate, library, tools. So all the channels I have here, I can select any one of them and I can just do the automation, okay. So this is how easy it is to integrate it. And one more thing is that uh, when you let's say add a trigger, okay, let's say Slack, if you want to add a Slack as a trigger, so again it may ask you, for example, let's say if I select on uh, react, okay, so anyone will let's say going to react in our Slack or maybe for any trigger, okay, so automatically it will just going to connect it over here, okay, and from list you can basically select and you can see still here. So that's how easy it is, whether you want to use it inside your automation or as a trigger. So for all of them this method will work. Now after doing this, now the last step you have to do is that you need to invite this bot. So for example, if you will going to notice, the name of our bot is N8N Lunare. So this automation will only going to work whenever you have your channel. So you have to invite like this @N8N Lunare, like this. Click on enter button, then it will say add them, so or do nothing, so I will say add them. So whenever we will do any sort of a notification, so that will be added to the production channel. Same you can do for all of them. Let's say @N8N Lunare, okay, like this. Same you want to add this person instead, okay, uh, add to channel, okay, so it has been added. Same you have to do, say anything Lunare app, okay, click on enter. add them. So same you have to do for all the channels where you want to do automation. Otherwise what will going to happen, let's say if you have your Slack here, okay, and let's say you want to do some automation, let's say inside your this affiliate, okay, affiliate channel, or maybe whatever channel you have. So there you want to do the automation, so it will not going to work. So first you need to add your app which we have created. In my case it's N8N Lunare, but whatever you have added you simply have to invite them and add them here, enter it, click on add them, then only the automations will work. So you have to do for whatever channel you want to, okay. So this is how easy it is to integrate, our token, okay, with N8N, or I can say Slack with N8N. So easy. So that's the complete process, and that's how you can integrate it. And another thing is that if you, let's say, go to home, go to free library here, you will see this N8N credentials and integrations. We have other tutorials as well. So in case if you want to integrate N8N with Google services, you can click on this view button, and you can watch the video how to integrate N8N with Google services, including, let's say, Gmail, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, and other Google services. Same for OpenAI, we have Airtable, LinkedIn, and in future more will be added. Okay, so you can prefer this. And another thing is that we have another free course. Let's say click on public. You can simply go ahead and search for AI agent. Okay, so it's not showing over here. Wait, let me just directly go to courses, and then in the courses you will see this AI agent and automation. So just search for this course, 3 hours free course for AI agent and automation with N8N. Simply click on start course button, and you guys can watch all the parts. From part 1 you can click on part 2, and this part 3 is all about which tool to choose. So we have chosen N8N and how to set up N8N. So that is what you can see here, and other tutorials. Okay, so this is another free material. So that's all about this tutorial, how you can integrate N8N with Slack.